my name is Natalie, and I was a patient at the Children's Learning and Vision Center for about 9 months. I came to them after about a year after I got a concussion, after trying many different ways of trying to get back to normal activity, including physical therapy and seeing other specialists. They are the only place that was able to actually get me back to full function and everyday activities that I wanted to do and could not do without serious headaches. So I was with them for about 9 months, did both vision and light therapy, and the combination of the two got me through all kinds of different activities, flying through my activities and back to everyday functions and more than that. I am now able to run again, which was something that I wasn't able to do for about a year. And I'm able to run without headaches. I'm able to do all kinds of different activities. What I do is limitless, and it's all because of the people at the Children's Vision and Learning Center. They are great people. They helped me get back to where I needed to be and even beyond that. I am forever thankful for them, and they can do great things for you as well.